Welcome to our portable washer showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison between the COMFE 1.6 Cu.ft Portable Washing Machine and the Erivess Compact Mini Twin Tub. Both of these machines are designed for convenience and efficiency, but they cater to different needs. Let's explore their features, specifications, and see which one stands out in this competitive market. The COMFEE is a fully automatic washing machine, meaning it handles the entire washing process for you with just the push of a button. In contrast, the Erivess is a semi-automatic model, requiring some manual intervention during the washing and spinning cycles. This difference in automation can significantly impact your laundry experience, especially if you prefer a hands-off approach. When it comes to capacity, the COMFEE offers a smaller washing capacity of 11 pounds, which is suitable for light laundry loads. On the other hand, the Erivess boasts a total capacity of 32 pounds, making it ideal for larger loads, such as bedding or multiple outfits. This significant difference makes the Erivess a more versatile option for those with more laundry to tackle. Price is always a crucial factor when making a purchase. The COMFEE is priced at $329, reflecting its fully automatic features and compact design. In contrast, the Erivess comes in at a much more affordable $189. This price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're on a budget but still need a reliable washing machine. In conclusion, both the COMFEE and Erivess portable washing machines have their unique strengths. The COMFEE offers convenience with its fully automatic operation, while the Erivess provides a larger capacity at a more affordable price. Consider your laundry needs and budget before making a decision. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews.